Hello guys, I am Student Sapjadi. I am student 10th grade in Sudakarya Vocational High School. I'm majoring in mechanical engineering. In this video, I would like to tell you about specific place in the mechanical engineering workshop of Wisudakarya Vocational High School. At the Wisudakarya Kudus High School, especially the mechanical engineering department, there are three workshops, namely basic machining, bench work, and technical drawing. And this presentation, I will describe the turning workshop. In the lathe workshop, three are three mechanics that are used, namely a lathe, CNC, computer numerical control machine, and a milling machine. Before starting to practice or learning in the lathe workshop, you must as a complete wear pack and PPE so that you are safe. After that, we do cleaning on the machine and its surroundings. After that, we do a report to the supervising teacher. After the report, we do practice on the machine in the lathe workshop by carrying out the job given by supervising teacher. After class is over, time to go home. We first clean up the residue or tools as after practice, and after that change clothes using school uniform. And after that, we clean up and evaluate the result of the practice with the supervising teacher in the lab workshop. And after all activities are finished in the lab workshop, it's time to go home.